Welcome to How to Play Klondike Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. The game is set up by arranging face-down cards in 7 columns. 1 card in the first column, 2 cards in the second column, and so on to 7 cards in the 7th column. Place the remaining deck face down in front of your layout. Flip up the top cards in each of the 7 columns. The object of the game is to get all the cards into a foundation pile. 4 foundation piles are created, 1 for each suit. The foundation piles start with the aces and are built up in suit to the kings. A card can move within the layout to another card when the card being moved is 1 rank lower and the opposite color than the card it is being moved to. When a face-down card becomes the top card of a column, it is flipped face up. A stack of cards can be moved as a unit when the bottom card of the stack is 1 rank lower and the opposite color to the card it is being moved to. An empty column in the layout can be filled by a king or a stack of cards starting with a king. When an ace becomes available, it will start the foundation pile for that suit. A player can continue to make available moves within the layout as possible. The player can use the remaining deck to draw from when wanted. 3 cards are flipped up at a time and moved to a waste pile. The top card of the waste pile is available to be moved into the layout or to a foundation pile if possible. When the top card of the waste pile is moved, the next top card is available for play. The player will continue to work through the draw deck and make moves with the goal of getting all the cards into their foundation piles. If a player is able to get all the cards into their foundation piles, the game is won. If the player gets stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. When a player flips all the cards from the draw deck, the waste pile is flipped over to create a new draw deck. For an easier gameplay, the player can flip only 1 card from the draw deck at a time instead of 3. If you enjoyed learning how to play Klondike Solitaire and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.